If you are a content creator or business owner and you are live streaming here on YouTube or any other social media platform, then you 100% should be using StreamYard to take your live streams to the next level. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite features inside the StreamYard software that are great for helping you, whether you are a beginner or you're intermediate going towards advanced. So if this sounds like something you are interested in, do consider sticking around. Now, I am a big fan of the software StreamYard. Those of you that have been following me for a while, you'll know that I love to toot the horn for StreamYard. But let me just share with you, on a serious note, why StreamYard is one of the best that you could be using right now. StreamYard have removed the complexity when it comes to utilizing streaming software to go live. I myself have been using StreamYard for a number of years, and I cannot recommend it enough. Whether you are just getting started with live streaming or you have been going live for some time and you have some proficiency where streaming software is concerned. StreamYard is extremely affordable. They offer 3 plans: a free plan, a basic plan, and a professional plan. Now, what I'm going to be sharing with you today is based on the plan that I currently have, which is the basic plan, but I am going to be moving up to the professional plan because the software is just amazing. StreamYard has so many benefits to it that makes it a no-brainer. So I definitely want to recommend that if you want to try StreamYard, all the information will be linked in the description. So this video is going to be in 2 parts. The first part, I'm going to discuss with you some of the features that I'm going to share that I love, but there are so many. There are just a few that I want to get you started with, that I want you to look at for yourself to see if it's a great fit for what you want to do. The second part of this video, I'm going to do the demonstration showing you the features that I'm talking about. So grab yourself a notepad and pen, get yourself a coffee or a nice cup of tea, and let's get into part 1 of the video. So the first feature I love are the virtual backgrounds options inside the settings. My personal favorite of the options is the blurred background. Now, this specific feature works best when you are using a depth of field. So if you have a little bit of distance in the background, it's going to give your video that lovely soft effect, much like the portrait option inside your camera when you're taking pictures. The second one is the new touch-up appearance feature in camera settings. Now, this actually complements your features. It doesn't change them, so it's not like a filter. And you can control how much touch-up that you want to include in your live stream. So if you're having a day where the bag's a little bit on the dark side, this little touch-up feature is going to be chef's kisses. Number 3 is adding long or short video clips to your live streams. Now, if you've watched any of my lives, you will know this is a staple for me. I absolutely love adding short video clips, and you can create them to be as long or as short as you want them to be. I create my video clips inside Canva, and I would encourage you to do the same. It's really easy to do and brings another layer of entertainment to the live streams that you are presenting to your audience. In addition, I like using video clips to add in short tutorials for my lives. And when you actually add those video tutorials in, which you can do for up to 10 minutes, what will happen is that once that video is playing, your microphone is muted. So if you need to go to the toilet or get yourself a glass of water to recalibrate, you have the time to be able to do just that. The next is the edit and repurpose feature to short form videos. I absolutely love this. Now, if you are someone who likes to repurpose your content, I am very big on taking the opportunities to do that. And StreamYard allows us to create shorts and reels directly from our live stream content, and they will be the correct ratio, good and ready to go. Now, I like to use this feature to take clips from my live streams to repurpose for my Creator Confession series. What I then like to do is upload them into the Captions app adding some captions and subtitles and some more edits and cuts to that short form piece of content. But you don't have to do that. You literally can take the extracts from the live stream and download them as short form videos, and they are good to go. The next one is the ability to schedule past live streams for repurposing. Now, a little hack, a workaround for being on the basic plan for me personally is that we know that there are limits to the amount of destinations that you can send your content out to. So with StreamYard on the basic plan, you have 3 destinations. So what I will do is once I've actually finished those live streams and sent them out to those 3 destinations, I can then reschedule those live streams and send them out to other places. So for example, on Facebook, I have a number of business pages and also a Facebook group alongside my personal page. So obviously I'm not able to live stream to all of those destinations at once. So for example, I have a weekly live every Monday that I send out to LinkedIn as well as Facebook, my personal page, and one of my business pages. That's the 3 destinations. And then what I will do is take that live stream, repurpose it, and schedule it to go out to my other business pages. And what I love is that you can also add an announcement so that you can send out a notification that the live is scheduled and is going to go live at a specific time. All done easily inside StreamYard. Now, before I get on to part 2 of the video, I want to ask you, what is your favorite feature inside StreamYard if you are using the software? Put it into the comments below. And if you aren't yet using StreamYard, do let me know why you're not using it. Are you using another piece of software, or is it that you just have not dived into the world of live streaming? I would love to hear from you. So now let's move into part 2 of the video, where I'm going to give you a demonstration of some of the features that I talked about in today's video. So here I am in the back end of StreamYard. So when you enter the studio, this is what it will look like. Some of you will be familiar with this. So as I said, I'm just going to share with you some of the features that we discussed and how you can actually find them. So the first thing that I want to show you is the background, virtual backgrounds options inside settings. So that's where you would go to first and foremost. You would go to the settings option at the bottom. Select the settings option, and when you select the settings options, you can see all of these options on the left hand side, but you can see that I just touched over virtual background. When you click on to virtual background, you'll see a few options. So if you yourself have a green screen, you can select that option. But what I love is that there is this here, a virtual backgrounds guide that will give you some tips on it. But the options that you have, there are 3 basic options. You can add your own, as you can see there. Now, I love the background blur. As I explained, this option just gives you a lovely portrait style finish in the background of your live stream. Now, I would only advise it if you do, like I said earlier on in the video, if you have depth of field. Otherwise, sometimes it doesn't work so well. What I would say to you is that if you do want to use it, minimize what's going on in the background, because I've noticed in past videos when I had a lot of things in the background, as I do now, i.e. plants, books, etc., it was hard for the blurred background to make me defined in the shot. So just take that into consideration. The second feature that I wanted to show you, which I talked about, is the touch up appearance feature. And I'm exposing myself. You see, I've actually utilized it or do use it in my live streams. But this is a new feature inside the StreamYard software, and you can add as much or as little as you want, or you don't have to use it. But you can see the slider tells you as you move along literally what it's going to look like. So you've got subtle, which I just touched on. Then you can see it says moderate, then it changes it to strong, and then you can go up from there. So you would choose what is your preference if you want to use it. And it's something that's cool to use if you're not necessarily feeling at your best, or you just want to adjust how you actually appear on the screen. Like I mentioned, It's not a filter. It's not going to completely make you look different. It's not AI, but it is a lovely little touch that will just help to boost your confidence. So now I've brought you back to the main part of the studio, and I want to talk to you about video clips. So what you would do is, like I mentioned earlier on in the video, you would create your video clips inside Canva. You would then upload them here inside the brand part of the studio. You can see it says brand there. You can see that I've got some of my video clips here. And all you would do is select the plus sign to add a clip, and then it will take you to the necessary folder where you have your video clips ready, and you would just upload them one at a time. And once you've actually uploaded those video clips, as you are talking through your live stream and you're making a specific point, you would just select the appropriate video clip, and you can see it will come up on the screen. You would have seen that video clip earlier on today in this video, but it's really easy to do. And I encourage you to try it out, as I do with all of my clients, and let me know if this is something that you're going to try and how you find using it. Now I'm going to show you how to repurpose your live streams into shorts or reels. So you would select from streams and records the past option, and you would scroll to the appropriate video. Now, firstly, when it comes to the repurposing, you would select the option that says view. Once you have selected the appropriate video, you will see on the top right hand corner it says edit and repurpose. So you would select that, and you will see there are two options to create videos or shorts or reels. So just select the option for shorts or reels, and it will bring you to this screen, and you can just go along and select whatever part of the video that you want to use, and you will see that it selects up to a duration of 1 minute, which is absolutely perfect. Once you are happy with the clip that you have selected, you will go up to the option that says save as new. You will give it the appropriate name and select save. Once you have selected save, you will see that it says that it's processing that video. So once it's finished processing, all you will do is select the option to download, and you will have a brand new video that is fit and scaled for the correct appropriate sizing for reels or shorts. And you can immediately repurpose that, or you can edit it using either InShot or CapCut, add your captions, and then you are good to go. Now I'm going to show you how to repurpose your live stream. So what you would do is go to the live stream that has ended that you want to use. You would select the three dots on the right hand side next to the appropriate video. And once you do that, you can select the option to schedule the live stream. So once you do that, you will see that it will bring up the video, and then you can just select the appropriate destination. So just for the purpose of this video, you'll select the destination, then it will ask you to decide on the date, whether it's today or another date, the times, AM or PM, which you can see, and it will already have the full title optimization there. You can make the necessary changes as you want, and then you can select this option to schedule a live stream if you want to. And when you schedule the live stream, you can upload a thumbnail and then give it a time. And once you are happy with everything, you would then select create live stream. So there you have it. Now you know how to find these specific features that I've shared with you in today's video. They're pretty cool, aren't they? Do let me know which one was your favorite. And if you would like to see me do more in-depth tutorials, let me know in the comments, as I really do love this tool and there is so much more to share with you. A big part of my channel, Video for Bosses, is all about showing you how to utilize different tools to take your video production and your live streams to the next level. I'm going to encourage you to click onto this video to check out how to utilize the TikTok practice feature for going live. And I will see you on the next video.